Good morning. This is Miss Page.
And Miss Sarah.
Today in class, we are going to talk about our 5 basic emotions. Let's talk a little bit more about them. How are you feeling today? Angry, sad, scared, disgusted, happy? Sometimes you might feel happy. Sometimes you might feel sad. Sometimes you might be disgusted, or you might feel scared or angry. All these emotions are a normal part of life that we may feel throughout the day. You might not know how to describe these emotions, so let's talk about how they look.
Joy and happy. Many things can make you feel happy. For example, you can feel happy when you're playing with your friends. You might be smiling, laughing, or not feeling any worry at all. Sadness. Sometimes you may feel sad. You can feel sad when you miss someone. You might be crying, feeling like nothing is okay, worried, or might just want to be alone. Disgust. Some things can make you feel disgust. You may feel disgust about foods you don't like to eat. You might stick your tongue out, think something is gross, or say yuck. Anger. Sometimes you may feel angry. You can feel angry when someone says something mean to you. Your body might feel hot, or you want to shout, or you just feel out of control. Scared. You might feel scared sometimes. You might be scared when you hear a thunderstorm. You might feel unsafe, or you want to be comforted by your parents, or may feel like hiding underneath a blanket.
Our emotions tell us how we feel about something. Today, when you go home, think about a time when you were scared or angry. Think about a time when you were happy or a time when you felt disgusted. What other emotions have you felt? We will talk about these in class tomorrow.
Let's see if we can tell how these people feel. Look at this boy's face. What emotion is he feeling? If you said angry, you're correct. He's feeling angry. His eyebrows are all scruffled. He's feeling hot. He's feeling really mad, maybe because somebody took his toy. How does she feel? If you said scared, you're correct. She's feeling scared about something. She's covering her face. She doesn't know what's going to happen next.
Now that we have learned about how our 5 basic emotions might look, you can do additional practice with the Google Form emotions quiz. See you all tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.